Kawasaki W175, a timeless simplicity with a soulful ride. The Kawasaki W175 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a nostalgic tribute to the golden era of motorcycling. With minimal electronics and maximum charm, it embodies the spirit of classic two-wheelers while offering the reliability and refinement of modern engineering. Whether you're a new rider seeking a user-friendly bike or an enthusiast longing for old-school styling, the W175 delivers in 5 key ways. Classic design, pure retro charm. One of the standout features of the Kawasaki W175 is its authentic vintage styling. Kawasaki designed the W175 as a homage to its iconic W series lineage dating back to the 1960s. The bike features a rounded headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and long, flat-ribbed seat, all of which echo the look of old British motorcycles. Chrome elements are tastefully applied to the rear-view mirrors, exhaust pipe, and rear fender, enhancing the retro feel without going overboard. Wire-spoke wheels complete the look, adding a touch of rugged authenticity that's hard to find in modern motorcycles. Every detail is thoughtfully executed, from the analog dial cluster to the side panel badges. The W175 prioritizes a clean, elegant silhouette over flashy gimmicks. It's a motorcycle that turns heads not by shouting for attention but by confidently embracing its classic roots. Engine and performance. The heart of the Kawasaki W175 is a 177 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled SHC engine, delivering approximately 13 PS of power and 13.2 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is built for reliability, simplicity, and smoothness, qualities that define the W175's user-friendly riding character. Its carbureted or fuel-injected setup, depending on the market, keeps the mechanical system straightforward, ideal for easy maintenance and consistent performance. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox, the engine delivers a linear power curve suited to both city riding and open-road cruising. This bike isn't built to chase high top speeds. Instead, it focuses on effortless low-end torque, refined throttle response, and minimal vibration, making it a relaxed companion for everyday commutes or weekend joyrides. Its top speed hovers around 100 to 110 kilometers per hour, adequate for daily use without overwhelming beginner riders. Ride comfort. Another reason riders gravitate toward the W175 is its exceptional ride comfort and ease of handling. At just 126 kilograms curb weight, it's one of the lightest retro bikes in its class, making it easy to maneuver in tight city spaces and extremely welcoming to new riders. The upright riding posture, well-padded bench seat, and mid-set foot pegs offer a neutral and relaxed riding position. Long rides feel natural and strain-free thanks to the 30mm front telescopic forks and twin rear shock absorbers that soak up road imperfections well. Whether you're weaving through traffic or taking a scenic ride through winding country roads, the W175 remains composed and easygoing. Simplicity and reliability. One of the W175's most refreshing qualities is its simplicity. In a world full of digital dashboards, riding modes, and electronic aids, the W175 keeps things refreshingly analog. Its basic speedometer, odometer, and neutral and turn signal indicators are all housed in a classic round dial, reminiscent of an era before LCD screens. There's no ABS, no traction control, and no Bluetooth connectivity. And yet the bike doesn't feel lacking. Instead, it offers a pure, distraction-free riding experience where you feel every rev, every shift, and every curve in the road. This mechanical simplicity translates into reliability and low maintenance costs. The air-cooled engine reduces the chances of overheating, and the straightforward chassis design makes for easy repairs. It's the kind of bike that asks very little but gives a lot in return: peace of mind, a dependable commute, and a strong connection between man and machine. Fuel efficiency also adds to its practical appeal, offering around 40 to 50 km/L, and the 13.5-liter tank ensures ample range for daily commuting and short road trips. Customization potential. One of the most underrated aspects of the W175 is its excellent potential for customization. Its exposed frame, minimal bodywork, and classic proportions make it a blank canvas for builders and modifiers. Whether you're dreaming of a cafe racer, scrambler, brat style, or bobber, the W175 can be transformed with relative ease. Its simple wiring harness and mechanical layout make it friendly for home garages and professional customizers alike. Many owners around the world have personalized their W175s with custom paint jobs, exhausts, seats, handlebars, and even complete body transformations. Kawasaki understands this passion and has released genuine accessories in select markets, including bar-end mirrors, seat cowls, and different exhaust styles. This opens the door for owners to truly make the bike their own, turning each W175 into a unique expression of the rider's style.